Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to take photo or record video without pressing a shutter or record button in iPhone and Samsung. So without more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on the left side I have a iPhone smartphone and on the right side I have a Samsung smartphone. So firstly, on your iPhone, just open the camera application. And now here we are not gonna use this shutter button, as you can see here, the shutter button which we are not going to use. So for this, what you need to do in order to take a photo, so you can see on the left side we have the volume up and volume down button, right? So you can press either the volume up or volume down button. So let me press the volume up button. So you can see here it's taking a photo. You can press the volume down button also in order to take a photo. And similarly, you can start video recording also. Just select the video firstly and just click the volume up or volume down, whichever you want to press. So let me press the volume up button in order to start recording, and you can just press the volume up or volume down button again in order to stop video recording. But the sad part here is that you can customize or disable this option, so it is being enabled by default on every iPhone devices. So now similarly on your Samsung smartphone, just open the camera application, and now you can do the same process as we have seen on our iPhone. Just press the volume up or down button in order to take a photo. So you can see you can press the volume down button also, and similarly just select the video and just press the volume up or volume down button in order to record video, and you can press it again in order to stop video recording. But here one good thing in Samsung smartphone is that you can disable this option by going to the settings, and now just scroll down below, and now you will see here one option, shooting methods. Just tap on it, and now you will see here press volume keys to. By default this option will be selected to take picture or record video, so you can select the other options in order to disable this volume button to take picture or record video. But in iPhone devices we don't have such options. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily take photo or record video without pressing a shutter or record button in iPhone and Samsung smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.